Hello and welcome back to Tried and Tested. Today we'll be talking about tawas. What are they? What are their usages? Pros and cons and everything. In the end, you can decide for yourself which tawa suits you the best. Let's begin. Here we have two types of tawas. The first is a non-stick pan and the other is a tri-ply pan. Let's first understand what they are. I have here with me a non-stick tawa, which, as the name suggests, prevents food from sticking. And that's possible because of the PTFE coating used in it. Now, if the food doesn't stick, it automatically becomes convenient and easy to clean up. Now, let me tell you about the Tri-Ply Tawa. It has 3 layers embedded in it. An inner layer of stainless steel, a middle layer of aluminium, and an outer layer of stainless steel. Tri-ply tawa is suitable for sautéing and searing, as it evenly distributes heat. Usually, tawas are made of stainless steel, but because they have a layer of aluminium in them, they cook faster. Now let's talk about their usage. I'm going to use 2 different non-stick tawas to cook delicate items like dosa and pancake. First, I'm using Hawkins Futura Non-Stick Dosa Tawa, in which I'm cooking a dosa. One of the benefits of non-stick pans is that you can limit the usage of ghee, butter or even oil. Now let's add the batter to this pan. As you can see, even though the ghee is less, our dosa is cooking quite well. Next, I have here Softel Designer Induction Base Non-Stick Coating Tawa, in which I'm cooking a pancake. Again, I'm applying very little butter to it. I generally like to use non-stick pans, which are ideal for making fast, easy dishes that don't require high heat searing. Our pancake is also ready. Let's remove it. Before moving on to the Tri-Ply Tawa, here are few things you should keep in mind while using non-stick tawas. The coating can wear off over time, affecting non-stick properties. Metal utensils and high-temperature cooking can damage the non-stick coating. Then what is ideal for high-temperature cooking? The answer is Tri-Ply tawas. I'm making chapati in this tawa because it offers excellent heat control, which makes a perfect chapati. I can also use them on various stovetops, including induction. And as I mentioned, it can handle high heat cooking because of the multiple layers. It is also resistant to warping, scratching and wear. And I can clean it with most dishwashing scrubbers. Also, not just chapatis, but these tawas can be used for sautéing and searing with precision. So I'm frying a brinjal in this. And as you can see how evenly it's getting fried. But let me tell you a few things that you should keep in mind before buying Tri-Ply tawas. They can be a little heavier than the other pans and are generally a little more expensive due to the layered construction. Due to the even distribution of the heat, our brinjal is now cooked perfectly. The tawas I've used today, I bought them from rasoishop.com. And if you too are looking to buy one of them, here are the prices. First, we have Hawkins Futura Non-Stick Dosa Tawa, which is for MRP rupees 1,840, and with Rajshri Rasoishop discount, you get it for rupees 1,590 rupees. Next, we have Softel Designer Induction Base Non-Stick Coating Tawa, which is for MRP rupees 1,100, and with Rajshri Rasoishop discount, you get it for rupees 749. Finally, we have Hawkins Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Induction Compatible Tawa, which is for MRP rupees 1,260, and with Rajshri Rasoishop discount, you get it for rupees 1,010. I hope this will help you choose your ideal tawa. So that's it from Tried and Tested. Let us know which other products you would like to see next. And don't forget to visit rasoishop.com and check out 5,000 plus kitchenware products from 100 plus brands.